Hello guys, I hope you're feeling completely well. Welcome to my channel. I am Arash. I'm here to teach you French language in English. À l'arrêt de bus. This is the second text of this uh, chapter, this unit. À l'arrêt de bus. And after that we will finish it. À l'arrêt de bus. L'arrêt de bus means bus stop. We have three things that I must tell you. L'arrêt de bus means bus stop. It's a station for the bus. L'arrêt de bus, bus stop. La gare de train. La gare de train. It is special for trains. La gare de train. La gare de train, pardon. La gare de train means train station. And finally, la station de métro. Metro means subway, la station de métro, the subway station. So we have three stations here. L'arrêt de bus, bus stop, la gare de train, train station, la station de métro, subway station. À l'arrêt de bus means in the bus stop. It's a conversation between Manon et Frédéric. Tiens, Frédéric. Tiens. Whenever two persons see each other and, for example, it's a surprise. Oh, hey. Hey. It is not and this is not an important word. It's just a sign. Tiens. Hey. Frédéric. Hey, Frédéric. Tu prends le bus? Prendre le bus. Take the bus. Do you take the bus? Pourquoi est-ce que tu ne prends pas pardon. Pourquoi est-ce que tu ne prends pas le métro? Why? Pourquoi means why. Why you don't take the subway? Aujourd'hui, today, je prends le bus. I take the bus. Parce que, because, je fais des courses. Faire des courses. I will write for you here the infinitive. Guys, the infinitives of the verbs are really important. You must know the infinitives, and also you must know the conjugation of every single verb in French language if you want to speak well then. So, faire. Sorry, I forgot what was it? Faire des courses. Faire des courses. Course. In the previous video, I told you don't make a mistake between cours. This is prendre des cours, take the classes. But this is faire des courses. Faire des courses. I wrote here, faire des courses. It means to go shopping. Parce que, because, je fais des courses avec Emily. I go shopping with Emily. Et toi, and you? Qu'est-ce que tu fais ce week-end? Qu'est-ce que tu fais ce week-end? Ce week-end means this weekend. Qu'est-ce que means what? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? What are you going to do? What do you do ce weekend? This weekend. Tu as des projets? Tu as des projets? Do you have the projects? Oui, yes. Nous faisons des travaux. It means that do you have any works to do? Oui, yes. Nous faisons. Don't say nous faisons. It's an exception. Nous faisons. It is completely correct that these two letters together, A and I, it is pronounced E. Like for example, faire. But here it's an exception. Instead of faisons, you must pronounce this word faisons. Nous faisons des travaux dans la maison. Faire des travaux. I will write for you again. Faire des travaux. The infinitive. Faire des travaux. Faire des travaux. Guys, suppose that you have a problem in the house and it is needed to be repaired. In this case, we say faire des travaux. For example, you are doing something related to taps, faucets, or for example, wash basins, or in the bathrooms, somewhere in the house, you are doing something as a repair. It is said faire des travaux. Nous faisons des travaux dans la maison. We are doing some repairment in the house. Nous refaisons la salle de bain. It is written here. What is doing? Nous refaisons la salle de bain. La salle means saloon. Bain means bathing. La salle de bain means the saloon of bathing. It is the bathroom. The saloon of bathing. It is totally logic. The saloon of bathing, it means the bathroom. So we are rebuilding the bathroom. We are doing some renovation in the bathroom. Tu imagines le travail? Why this sentence is said here? Whenever you know that doing some repairment in the house, it's a really hard job, and you say to your friend, for example, tu imagines le travail means, can you imagine the work? Because it's a hard work. Tu imagines le travail from the verb imaginer. It's the infinitive. It's the infinitive, sorry. Imagine. Can you imagine the work? You imagine the work. Quel courage? Courage means courage. Courage means courage. Quel courage means what a courage. Et toi? And you? Tu fais quelque chose de spécial. Quelque chose means something. Special means special. Do you do something special this weekend? Rien d'intéressant. Rien, nothing. Intéressant, interesting. Nothing interesting. Rien de spécial, nothing special. Je fais le ménage. Faire le ménage. Again, I don't write it. You know it comes from the verb faire, so you can write yourself. Faire le ménage. Faire le ménage means do the housework. Je fais le ménage. I do the housework. Et les courses. It means et je fais les courses. You know, faire les courses, I told you here. Faire des courses ou faire les courses means go shopping. I do the housework and I go shopping. Ah, si. Oh, yes. Demain soir. Demain, tomorrow. Soir, night. Tomorrow night. Je prends un café avec mes cousins. Je prends un café. I have a coffee avec mes cousins. With my cousins. Ils sont très sympas. They are very sympathetic or nice. Tiens, hey, voilà les bus. Here are the buses. Moi, me, je prends le 8. I take number 8. Moi, je prends le 17. I take number 17. Allez means come on. Allez au revoir. Allez au revoir. Come on. Goodbye. Bon weekend. Have a good weekend. Bon weekend à toi aussi. Have a good weekend for you too. Have a good time, guys. Bon weekend. À la prochaine fois.